Manual payments are no problem when you're a one-person business and have half a dozen invoices to pay. But if you are paying more than a handful of vendors or contractors, batch transfers will save you hours and cut mistakes. So in this video, I'll show you what they are, how they work in practice, common pitfalls, and a simple checklist to run them the right way with modern payment platforms like Airwallex. Batch transfers let you send many payments at once from a single file or API call. You fill a template with recipient details, currencies, amounts, and payment methods, and then submit it for processing. For multi-currency payouts, the template can include automatic effects, so you can choose to guarantee your cost or the payee's receipt amount. Through batch transfers, you get to have less manual entry, fewer errors, better cash flow planning, and a process that your team can repeat on a regular basis. Use batches for payroll, supplier payments, contractor invoices, customer refunds, and affiliate commissions. Here is how it works in Airwallex, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below. You can get started with Airwallex completely for free on their Explorer plan and upgrade as your business grows. So the first step would be to generate the template. You choose the country, currency, transfer method, recipient type, and whether your amount is the amount to send or the amount the payee should receive. And then after that, you download the .xlsx file and fill in each row. Use spreadsheet functions to pull recipient data from your vendor list. Do not edit the headers or the formats. That formatting is how the system validates your file. And then after that, you upload or send via API. You submit the file in the Transfers tab or via API. The system validates the data and flags any issues, and then you can proceed and fix the flagged rows later or correct and re-upload. The fourth step is the approvals, as you can set multi-layer approvals rules by amount, user, vendor, currency, or location for your batch payments. Payments that require approval wait until the right person signs off. And then the fifth step is the execution and settlement, so once approved and funded, payments run on the date that you select. With Airwallex, you can pay via the local rails to enjoy fast transfer without any cost, or use Swift where needed. You get line-by-line status for every item in the batch. And finally, step 6, reconciliation. You connect with your accounting system like QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite, so each payment posts back as an individual line item. Fewer manual journals, cleaner month-end. Now I'm going to go over some common pitfalls to avoid. The first one would be formatting errors, which break the uploads. You want to keep the template structure intact. Wrong account details cause failures, so validate IBAN, SWIFT, and account numbers before uploading. Additionally, FX slippage happens when the rate moves between upload and settlement. If the amount must be exact, set the recipient gets value and let the system calculate the FX. And finally, low visibility, which creates anxiety. You want to use a provider that shows real-time status per line. Now, why should you consider Airwallex for batches? Airwallex helps you automate and streamline your batch transfer process. Up to 1,000 payments per batch, multi-layer approvals, payout via local rails or Swift to 200 plus countries in 60 plus currencies. With over 120 countries leveraging local rails, you can expect 95% of transfers arrive on the same day. In addition to Airwallex's multi-currency support, automatic FX conversion, clear status tracking, and tight accounting integrations that keep your finances tidy. You save time while gaining greater visibility of your overall business spend. Batch transfers turn payables from a manual chore into a clean weekly run. Use the template, lock down approvals, validate your data, and push payments through local rails where possible. If you want the streamlined path, run your batches in Airwallex and keep the operations moving. Once again, you can get started completely for free by using the link in the description down below and sign up with the Explorer plan. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions by leaving them in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.